So I'm wearing the same as yesterday, basically. The same swimming costume and skirt. And I've shoved my hair up again, but this time in a ponytail, not in a clip. And we are heading to the beach for a couple of hours. We're not staying for long because we want to come back, have showers, get all glammed up and get ready to go out, because basically it's Saturday and it's our last weekend here. We go home on Monday, and on Monday is my mum and dad's anniversary, and basically we have, well, me and my brother have booked a table at a restaurant for my mum and dad, for us to celebrate their anniversary, and we're going to do that tonight because, like I said, we're going home Monday and we ain't going to want to plan anything for Monday because by the time we get home it's going to be late. So beach day for a couple of hours, and then this evening we're going out to a restaurant to go out for a meal that I booked and my brother and I are paying for my mum and dad's anniversary, which would be nice. I've had my hair up all week, but I'll put it up in a ponytail this time. I washed my hair last night, so I'm going to try and not get it too wet, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I wanted to wash it last night, so it was... I bought a little dress with me. I've had it for a long time now, actually, I'm not going to lie, but I'm not sure if it's going to fit, because last time I put it on it was quite big, but I have gained a bit of weight, so it might fit actually this time, but I haven't tried it on. So, and I haven't, well, the only other backup is if that doesn't fit, then I'm going to go for the red one, which I wore at the beginning of the week, which is fine. All good. Absolutely stunning. We still got to walk all the way down there yet, mind, but, and we've got to walk back up. We've hit the steps and then I turned the corner and we still got to go down all the way down there yet. It's never ending. Got to go all the way down here now. Been all the way up there. By the time you get down here I want to sleep. We've made it. Made it, finally. We are on the beach. So that is where we walked, and we got to go back up that way, but that's just half of it. The rest of it's behind the actual big rock that you can see. But that's, we can deal with that later. I'm home, back at the caravan. Look at me. Look at the state of me. I look like a right state. Got in the sea, didn't I? Didn't I? I got in the sea. Oh, so good. Right. I'm gonna have a shower. My mum's in there at the moment. Then I'm gonna get in. I've got to wash his hair again. I really didn't want to wash my hair again, but I'm gonna have to. And then I'm gonna, the lighting's not very good. and then I'm going to get myself ready and get all glammed up and then take my parents out for their meal. And I'm starving. I cannot wait to eat. I'm so hungry. But we've got a good few hours to go yet, but I might have to have a munch on something. But anyway, right, I'm ready. Got my long white dress on. But it's actually really big on me, but it's all good. Put on some red lippy. I've put on way too much makeup, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna end up sweating it all off. Like, oh, it's already coming off. Let's just face it. Good morning. It is Sunday and it's our last full day. We head back home tomorrow. We've had such a lovely holiday. Honestly, it's been amazing. We woke up this morning and it was like raining. It's been raining all night. We had a bit of thunder as well. And do you know what? We needed it. It cooled the air down. We're not complaining at all. But yeah, it's a bit hit and miss today at the moment. I don't know if it's going to brighten up this afternoon, but we're going to have a day on the site, on the caravan site. My brother and I are just going to go and have some breakfast now. I don't really eat breakfast, but I'm actually really hungry and I really want some breakfast. So, and then whilst I'm down there, I'm going to upload another vlog whilst I'm down there, because I can get better signal down there than I can in the caravan. So, great opportunity to go and upload another vlog. It's quite a short one actually, but it's fine. And then I think Mum and Dad's going to come down later on. But yeah, we're just having a day on the caravan site, just having a chill, cosy, chill day basically. Later on this afternoon, I think we're going to start doing a bit of packing as well, just to like make a head start on it, because we got to be out of here quite early in the morning. So yeah. Anyway, let's go and grab some food and a coffee and just chill and relax and just, yeah. We're not going anywhere today. However, I've picked up a couple of pieces of rock and a box of salted caramel cookies. They look actually really nice. So, yeah, I'll take them home with me and I can have those in the next couple of days. I now need to tackle all that. That looks so bad. But I can't be bothered. I'm just so tired today. I think the week's like hit us. I think my mum's gone down for a nap. Bless her. My brother's still out. My dad's watching TV. And I'm gonna start sorting my suitcase out and doing some packing, getting organised. So I've got less to do then in the morning. Oh. By the way, I took my nails off since the first clip this morning, because they were full of sand. Even though I've had a shower and I've washed my hands, there was so much sand and dirt under those nails. It was disgusting. So I've ripped them all off. A bit painful, I'm not gonna lie. But my fingers look terrible. I need to go home, file them, tidy them up, and put a fresh, clean set on. So I'll do that when I get home over the next couple of days, when I chill, do some washing, do all that before I go back to work. Yeah. Just like let you know, I took them off earlier on. Right, this ain't good, no good. I am gonna do this packing, get it all done, then I'm gonna chill in between, and then later on this afternoon I might pop out, have a couple of drinks down at the pub on the site if I feel okay, if I feel up for it. If not, then it's just a day in the caravan doing nothing. But I think tonight we're gonna order a pizza to get delivered here, because there is a Papa John's on site, and we had one at the beginning of the week and it was so nice. So we're gonna order another one tonight and just have a really nice chilled evening. We don't want to do anything or go out and do anything because Dad's got driving to do tomorrow and we need to be up super early, so it's just a chill day. Honestly, there's no plans and it's been amazing, even though I feel so tired. But yeah, if I feel a bit better later on, I'm gonna head out and have a drink later, but we'll see how I feel. I have changed my top since I've been home as well, by the way. I did have my green one on this morning, but yeah, put this one on there. I am ready. I'm gonna go out for a afternoon drink. I'm gonna take my grey blazer just in case if it goes off cold, because it's a bit cloudy today. But yeah, let's go.
Bloody hell, no. Yeah, I don't know.
All the way back there. Oh, stop it.
So what do again? Well, that's a great start, isn't it?
Is that your Red Bull?
Come back.
Oh, out of bounds.
Yeah.
Oh God, here we go.
Oh!
Oh, what? Oh.
Where are you going? Nice.